What are you gonna say?
Coach,
Yes.
I'm gonna smash his face today.
You gonna let him do that, Umar?
Never.
Never, right? He ain't gonna smash your face. No.
We will see.
Yeah?
We will see.
How much? No bet? Just handshake?
No, very bad.
Very bad?
Yes.
How much? A donut?
Change his eyes, change his nose. No. This is too beautiful.
Now he's late,
Coach, I'm gonna make him looking real fighter.
You gonna look like a real fighter? What does he look like now? A model?
No, you look like almost like Luke Rockhold.
Oh, he looked like Luke Rockhold? No, I think his brother Ushman looked like Luke Rockhold.
We'll see. I'm gonna change this.
All right.
You need to do this for me, like.
With Khabib's father running the crew, very strict, disciplined training is how he operates, the way it should be. Kind of yelled at Khabib and us because we were late. 9 o'clock was start time and we started at 9:15, so father says discipline. And there won't be any more lates. Now I know.
Hey Mania, brother, Mania, who's this guy, brother? Who's this? Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This guy is stupid.
Hey Habib, so your sparring partner outweighs you by how many pounds?
Bigger than me, almost 9 pounds.
This guy, he's bigger. You're bigger than him by almost 9 pounds.
Almost 9 pounds.
Wow. Yeah.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
When I'm gonna be on top,
Doesn't matter.
doesn't matter.
What do you think, Carlos?
Carlos and my weight is almost
Almost the same.
Yes, he bigger than me 2 pounds. Coach.
2
Only
pounds.
Yeah.
Carlos, you're only 2 pounds
He
heavier.
lost 30 pounds.
No dinner at night.
No dinner at night. Okay. That's pretty good. You do look pretty light, Carlos. You do look like you're only 2 pounds lighter than him. It's amazing. It must be when you lost your Mexican, gangster card. All that weight came off. Yeah. I guess I'll never lose the weight. I'm not losing my card.
What happened? What you want to talk? About some business or you wanna fight? You wanna fight, brother? Please, I don't wanna fight with you, brother. No.
Hey Habib, did you break my my elbows yesterday?
My tonight.
You gonna break my elbows tonight?
Tonight, yes.
Hey, where's my insurance? You got my insurance yet?
This is not my problem.
What do you mean?
Your insurance, your problem.
You said you were gonna get me insured for life.
I changed my mind.
How can you change your mind? You can't do that.
Coach, who care about your insurance?
Well, apparently you don't. Yesterday you did. Man.
Coach, nobody cares about your insurance.
Well, no more love. Oh, God. What's up with that? What? Why?
Coach
Why?
is joking. He will
He's
get
joking?
it.
He'll
It's
take care of me?
nonsense for him.
You're gonna
He
treat
will-
me like
he
the
will-
chicken over here?
No, he will get it for life.
Carlos, you're gonna treat me like you? You lost your gangster card yesterday again. You had it.
Almost had it.
Yeah.
Coach, I think he has to go to elephants again.
September 7th, the Eagle is hunting.
Not ego, hungry.
Hungry Eagle. So there's a difference.
It's two different.
So, Hungry Eagle,
The eagle, if he is not hungry, he will not fly.
he will not fly.
So on the 7th, the eagle is hungry, he has to fly.
Has to fly. Is that true? Is that what you're gonna do?
Only one thing make you lazy.
Yeah.
When your stomach is full.
When stomach's full.
But my stomach is not full. Coach. That's why I have to fly first of all, and then
Exactly.
Okay.
nothing changes. Like we do always. Like fly, hunt, and catch something.